Guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the location, and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1. You can see the required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Offers are available online for this property along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have not watched this property, please share your experience. If you are new on